The plan here is to do a cold start, then run back to the exhaust pipe and let you see. Let's see, get right on the head. I think you can see that. It's a fairly mild day today. Let's get it on the oil pan. I'll do a cold start and then go to the tailpipe and let you see how it looks. I should have had the key out. Starting cold, it likes to start and then one pat of gas after a couple of seconds. All right, and we'll hang out here for a few seconds. It does not smoke. I thought that might be helpful to see. Takes a bit to warm up, but we're getting there. Air conditioner works well. Using that starting procedure when it's cold works 100% of the time. Usually no throttle input is needed when cranking when it's warm. This vehicle has had heat shielding placed throughout the engine compartment, which really makes it more quiet, more enjoyable, and also keeps it cooler. The little air conditioner is not having to work against the blazing heat of that engine being right under the driver's tush. Okay, seat back in the closed position. Engine compartment is closed up. This vehicle has a rear window washer, which does not work. The only thing that I think is wrong with it is it doesn't have a reservoir bucket or canister for the washer fluid. It has a bag, and the bag has a hole, and I have not been able to find a replacement. Rear defroster as well. Air conditioning. I've installed an auxiliary cooling fan for those brutally hot summer days in Alabama. Down here, you can see that is the control between hot and cold. The air conditioner, evaporator, and fan is in that unit. And remote rear latch for the trunk, and Bluetooth radio. Got a little 10-inch subwoofer in the back. It's not great, but it sounds a hell of a lot better than the OEM sound system. The wrap is pretty close to the original color. This was a teal vehicle, but the paint was faded and there was some surface rust on this vehicle when it arrived from Japan. I wrapped it and I did a poor job. The wrap is crap. You can see wrinkles, you can see seams. It's cute from a distance, but if you get up close, it's terrible. I did make a full video on the surface rust before I wrapped it. That's in the playlist here, so you can look for details what the body looks like without the wrap in the numerous videos, including under chassis. All the rust has been addressed and sealed, and you really should look at those videos to get a full sense of this vehicle. There's really nothing that's undocumented. Okay, the vehicle is warmed up. I live in the very back of a large neighborhood. Speed limit's 20 and 25 miles an hour the whole way through, so I will probably just try to get you onto the state highway outside of my neighborhood, and I'll pick up videoing from there. to do a hopefully a full throttle acceleration here so you can listen. There's 50 miles per hour. And 55. Generally go past 100 kilometers per hour at 62 miles an hour. It might go faster, but not much faster. Windows are up. We're gonna get this air conditioner tested out. I'm looking at, it's about 90 right now. You'll hear the compressor kick on. And I'm gonna drive for a minute and test that temperature again. Okay, here's about a mile. Driving at about 35 or 40 miles an hour. Hopefully we can see that on camera. Alright, and that is about 2 miles. That's where we are, so, yep, good air conditioner.